start today's vlog from the day Marge arrived home last April. Abot na siya. Asa. We are waiting for our her pedia, and today is April 4 and it's almost 4 p.m. We just bought butong. She is drinking the butong. Good Wednesday afternoon. It's a Wednesday, and today is the start of 35 weeks of Zeke. Second day of checkups, and we found out that Marge has a high blood pressure because of baby. The sunset looks very nice. It's a Sunday, April 27th. The first time we were here, diri man nga sa Cabanas, here. Balay sa Busay was not yet present here. Ah! Uy, kakutas! Ah! Ako itulod siya. Tulod ako siya. Okay. Ay, kapila na ka nakakaon din. Are you full?
Yes.
We are in Monterrazas, something. Just arrived in Cupsi, Infante Circle. Good morning! Do you know what today is? Today is her birthday! Today is her birthday! We have a false alarm. She suddenly felt pain. She's starting to feel pain again. Happy birthday.
Use in case of emergency.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.